To Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to scan document any iPhone without install any other software. You can use Note application and scan document very easily. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So simply open here Note application. Inside the Note application, you just simply press here pen and note and look at this here. Here several options are available. The table are coming, capital letter, and here camera symbols are available. You just press the camera symbol and boom, you can see here scan text, take a photo and scan documents, and just simply press your scan documents, and which document you want scan, you just put it here and you just doing the properly. So this particular application are scan your document very easily. You can retake also here if you don't like this one, and now is boom. So look at this, the documents are scanned very easily. You can say done, save, and the documents are scanned. As a demo point of view, I just put it here one of the notebook page, but you can do same process and scan document and use wherever you want. And this particular document scan, it's quite good, its clarity is amazing, like a scanner machine. So using these tips and tricks, you can enjoy this feature. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.